An automobile moves on a road with a speed of 54 km per hour. The radius of its wheel is 0.45 meter and the moment of inertia of the wheel about its axis of rotation. So, axis of rotation, moment of inertia, so they given. If the vehicle is brought to rest in 15 seconds, the magnitude of average torque transmitted by its brakes to the wheel is. So here we need to find out, so torque we have to find out, right? So that is our question. So first of all, we'll see the given data. So what is the given data? So keep in mind, automobile speed is given. How much? V equal to 54 kilometer per hour. This is the first one. And the second one is moment of inertia and radius also given. Radius equal to r equal to 0.45 meter. And the third point, so see the third point, what is the moment of inertia? I equal to 3 kg, 3 kg meter square. So 3 kg meter square, moment of inertia. And time is given. What is the time? T equal to 15 seconds. Yes. The magnitude of average torque transmitted by its brakes to the wheel is. So, what are the given data? So, we have to check first whether all the physical quantities are in one system or not. So, here everything will be there, but except speed. We have to convert kilometer per hour into meter per second. So first of all, we'll do this one. So this is the data, right? Now we'll see V equal to 15 kilometer means 5 by 18. We'll write 5 by 18. So if you do this one, how much you'll get? 15 meter per second. 15 meter per second. Now initial angular speed is omega I equal to V by R. So according to the data, so 15 by R radius how much? 0.45. 0.45. So now we'll get 1500. So if you solve this one, you do it, your calculation, according to your calculation you do it. So however I am doing, whatever I am doing, you no need to follow the calculation point of view. You do your own. If you are, if you know the answer directly, you can do it. It's fine, no problem. Okay. So initial angular speed equal to 100 by 3 radian per second. So we need to understand, cat is black or white, it must catch the rat. So whatever the method you follow, whatever the thing you follow, so we have to get the result, right? And final angular speed, anyway if it is reached to the rest, so then automatically final angular speed is 0. Now we have to find out retardation, angular retardation. So that is alpha equal to angular speed final minus angular speed initial by time taken. What is angular speed final? So you know 0. Angular speed initially is 100 by 3 by time taken how much? 15. Now if you do it, how much you'll get? 100 by 45. Yes. So radian per second square. So you got that angular acceleration. That is, sir, actually it is retardation. It's going to rest, right? Retardation. Now we need to find out the magnitude of torque. Magnitude of torque we have to find out. So now we'll see the magnitude of torque. So tau equal to moment of inertia and magnitude of angular retardation. So we have to take only magnitude. So angular moment of inertia, how much we got? So here they given moment of inertia 3, and so we know angular retardation 100 by 45. So multiply 3 into 100 by 45. So how much you'll get? So if you do this, you'll get 20 by 3. So that is nothing but tau equal to 6.66 kg meter square second power minus 2. So this is the answer. So I'll check the answer, right? Yes. So this is the answer 6.66. So if you like this content, do like, share and subscribe to Student the Brand. Thank you so much.